The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
What's up, baby girls? Good morning. We're going to be doing Sprinkles hair. We're going to do a cute, easy, fast hairstyle for you guys to do on your child or on your nieces, on your friends, or whatever. Let's get ready. You ready, Sprinkles?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me grab this over here.
Hello.
This piece.
Ow.
My hair's a little tangled.
Yes. I know. I know my hair's all tangled.
No Sprinkles. So I'm just gonna braid this part. This way. So we're just gonna braid it. I'm just gonna be braiding this part. Alright, look this way. There we go. So I'm just gonna be braiding this part right here.
Okay, yeah. So, okay. Putting in. Okay, bye, everyone. Bye. Aduh.
Sprinkle's hair is getting long, huh, Sprinkle? Her hair's growing. Okay, now I'm just gonna get a ribbon. Release. I'm just gonna, as you see, I'm just gonna close that. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Like that. And do the same to the other side.
Hello guys, can you click?
My hair is just gets tangled. Hold on, just.
My mom gave me a egg.
We're just braiding it. Look how cute Sprinkles pajamas. How cute. Your mommy get you that?
Yeah.
So we're gonna bring it
Oh
together.
no. My mom gave me that, my dress.
Yeah.
Yeah. She gave me the big one.
Do the same.
And
We
she
get
gave
a
me
ribbon.
egg. She, my mom gave me egg. And I go to Lala's house.
You go to Lalo's house.
Yeah. Like this.
And then we're gonna bring it back. There we go. And we're gonna clip these together. Oops, goes that way. We're gonna screw it like that. Turn the back. It's gonna look like that from the back. Now with these two, we're just gonna tuck it in over and just do it like this. And I'm just gonna get another ribbon. We're just gonna close it down like this. And then this one, we're gonna take this part off. There we go. And we're just gonna brush it. And this part, we're just gonna brush it. And we're just gonna hide the ribbon with the hair. There we go. Turn that way. There we go. This is another easy, fast hairstyle to do. Now we're gonna get Sprinkles ready. We're gonna change her clothes because she got her cute pajamas.
Yes.
Tom. Look at her hair. Okay. We're gonna show you guys a video of how her hair looks really quick. Stand up. She got her cute little shoes. Show me your shoes. Look at her cute little nanas. Some red pants and her red shirt. And she got her cute little hairstyle. Turn around. There we go. Alright, thank you for watching this short video on Juju's hair. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bye.